Hi, I am Sarah Beth with Urban Accents, and I am here in the beautiful pre-kitchen. It's such an honor to be here guest chefing, and I'm really excited because we are making a burger inspired by the classic New Orleans sandwich, the Muffaletta. You know the ones, you can buy them by the quarter or the half or a whole round sandwich. It's all layered with Italian cold cuts and cheese and olive tapenade. You get a wedge of it and you walk down Bourbon Street. It's pretty great. We are going to use Pre's burger patties. We're using the 92% lean because we're adding some cheese and olives and some other really good fatty flavor in this burger. We are going to season those patties with Urban Accents Cajun Street seasoning. This is one of my most favorite Urban Accents products. It's rich and deep. It has over 20 spices in this one blend. Paprika and cayenne, but also things like caraway and dill seed. It's so good. We're gonna layer the burger on a sesame bun with olive tapenade, homemade New Orleans remoulade sauce, and crispy, crunchy, tangy, fried pickles. All we do is tear this off of the very informative card. Just gonna peel this open. Here's a fun fact. You can peel just one and leave the other nice and sealed in your fridge for the next time you want a burger. Peeling this all the way though, because we're making two. All grass-fed and grass-finished. Everything from Pre comes from Australia or New Zealand because it's perfect pasture weather all year long. It's also non-GMO, very important. We are using Urban Accents Cajun Street seasoning blend. Urban Accents makes small batch crafted seasoning blends and mixes for adventurous home cooks. They use natural flavors, they're gluten-free, and many of their products are also non-GMO, including this one, Cajun Street, one of my favorites. We're going to coat the outside of the patty with the seasoning, and then we're gonna sear it for a nice, hard, blackened char on the outside. Got a cast iron skillet heated with a little oil in the bottom. It's pretty hot. We're gonna add our patties in let them go for 4 to 6 minutes or to your level of doneness. We're toasting the buns cut side down in the leftover juices from the burger. It's a good idea. We're gonna start with a sesame bun, a nod to the traditional bread a muffaletta is made on. We're gonna layer our homemade remoulade. This is so easy. Use equal parts sour cream and mayonnaise, and then add a little of your Cajun seasoning, a little hot sauce, a little lemon juice, tweak it until it's perfect. Then our patty, our blackened patty with melted smoked provolone cheese. Yum, yum, yum. Little purple onion for a crunch and a tang and a little color. And then you're going to put the olive salad right on top. After the tapenade, we're gonna take everybody's favorite southern fried side and put it right on top. Crispy, crunchy, fried pickles. And then another little drizzle of remoulade. Ooh, okay. There she is. I think it's time to take a bite. Yeah. Oh, look at all those layers. Oh, and nailed the medium well. All right, here we go. Mmm. Wow. The olive tapenade hits you really briny and sour right at first, and then you get that crispy, crunchy from the pickles, and then finally when you're into that delicious beef, it's that blackened seasoning, that blackened paprika and cayenne, all that depth. Oh, it's so good. Okay, I'm gonna eat the rest of this.